Preprocessor directive by this. Preprocessor process before program compilation. It is represented by hash. Popular preprocessor directives are hash include and hash define. Hash include includes the file or libraries in the current program, and hash define replaces with the replacement text to the identifier. Hash include directives includes other files, definitions of symbolic constants and macros. There can be two ways by which hash include can be defined. Hash include these two ways are differentiated on the basis of search. These search are based on the basis of search locations. When hash include defines in under these angular brackets, file name is written in between angular brackets, these searches in the pre-designated directory like a bin and library folder. And when we write hash include file name in double quotes, in this way double quotes, then this searches in the current directory first. If it does not found in the directory, in the current directory, then it searches in the pre-designated directory. Hash define. It can define symbolic constant and macros. So there is a little bit difference between symbolic constant and macro. Symbolic constant in this replacement text replaces with the identifier in the whole program, and in macro it can be a without program or without argument or without argument. Without argument is similar to the symbolic constant, but with argument is like a small function. Okay, first we discuss symbolic constant. Symbolic constant defined in the preprocessor directive. Symbolic constant can be written as hash define identifier value. Hash define identifier name and its value. Value is this replacement text. Okay, for example, hash and define max 100. Max value is 100. So it's a symbolic constant. Wherever in the program we write max, its value will be replaced with the 100. So this is symbolic constant. And macro. Macro is an identifier defined in hash define preprocessor directive. It can be defined with or without argument. Without argument is similar to the symbolic constant, and with argument is defined like hash. For example, we take this example, hash define cube x. Cube x is expanded in this form, x into x into x. So in the program, wherever we write cube of any value, cube of 3, so this 3 will be replaced with the x, and this value will be expanded into 3 into 3 into 3. Then we will get the result of this. Okay, after this, okay, that's all for the preprocessor. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.